This video will show you how to install the pull-down kitchen faucet. Preparation: you need to check everything. Make sure are in the box. Wire spacer, metal and rubber washer, locking nut, weight kit, specification, hot and cold supply lines, and the pull-down kitchen faucet. The tools you need: adjustable wrench, Phillips screwdriver, safety glasses if you need it, mount faucet assembly, install faucet through center hold, install wire spacer, rubber washer and metal washer. Using a screwdriver, tighten the lock nut screws so that the faucet is secured and will not twist. Install hose and weight kit. Connecting pull-out hose into the hose connector until you hear a click sound. Proper installation of the hose weight kit. Ensure that the spray head reacts smoothly. Connect the hot and cold supply lines. Screw and tighten the hot and cold flexible lines to the corresponding faucet connects. Attach flexible hose to water supply. Using adjustable wrench, ensure that it's tightened. Last, flushing the line. Hold on to the spray head hose, unscrew spray head and move it along with the rubber washer. Turn on the faucet to flush the hose and feed light for 1 minute to flush debris. Turn off faucet and reinstall the rubber washer and spray the head. More detail, please contact below the information.